Hello guys, we'll be teaching you how to make a new YouTube channel. So, let's get started. Okay, so you gotta just go on to YouTube, click sign in, create account, and then you just type in your name. So, you could just type in something random, like, I'm just typing something random. And then if you don't want to add a last name, just put a period. It won't show the period, don't worry. Oh wait, hold on. Oh god, oh god. Okay, you can use your email or just press create a Gmail account instead. And then type in just wherever you want your email to be. And that is a lot of accounts I made. I have no idea why I have that. Okay, this is stupid.